So right click on it again, choose technical help. So here you will see component configuration. So here you have lot of things, WebDyn Pro component and application data. What is the WebDyn Pro application name? What is the application here? Application comp. Coming back to the start WebDyn Pro component. You see this FPM underscore OVP underscore. I told you overview page floor plan is the approach that is used for developing the web-enabled applications in SAP TM environment. Right now, I will also show you. I will open freight booking. So this is freight booking, isn't it? If I go to booking, right, and here wherever you want, you can click wherever you want. Right click and choose technical help. So here also you see the component is FPM underscore OVP underscore component. All the applications are built based on overview page floor plan, and here is the floor plan configuration. Component configuration. This is the floor plan configuration. And here you will see component customizing. This will appear only if you have done any customizing. Customizing is customer specific development. Customizing is nothing but a customer specific development. If you have done any customer specific development in the component customizing field, you will see something. So this customizing can also be done directly in the standard SAP floor plan configuration. Whenever you want to do enhancements, then you use G naming or Y naming. But here, Floorplan Manager framework brings a very good feature, that is using the standard SAP configuration name, you can directly do the customizing. Let's say some project is already started, and after 6 months of the project, you entered into that project in middle of the phase, and you received some requirement, right? So let's say, for example, I will take a real-time example. So you are an implementation project which was already running, 6 months already happened. Now you received a requirement to add some new field here in the general information section. You are asked to add some customer specific field. Now what do? Now, how do you know whether there is an already existing customizing configuration created or not? Now what you should do, you should right click on it, choose technical help. If you see component customizing was already created, then you will see here the name appearing beside the component customizing. If the customizing was not done already, you will not see name. Here it is blank. See how it is blank here. Personas flavor ID, it is blank, right? So here also component customizing, you will see blank here. Then you will have to create a fresh customizing. If it is already existing, then you should use that customizing and should do the adding of new fields, right? So this you see customizing mode you are in. You see start WebDyn Pro component, current WebDyn Pro component or view. These two things are different. Okay, this is at the component level. This is at the view level. Okay, this will be same across the application, but this will change based on the each view. Okay, how it will change? Let me show you example. Here you see current WebDyn Pro component. You try to remember component configuration name is /SCM TMS. That is the prefix. WDCC underscore FRE underscore order. That is the name. So this remains same for entire application, but this will keep on changing. You see here component configuration is /SCM TMS WDCC. This is WDCC again is the standard naming convention that SAP is used. WebDyn Pro component controller for general data tab. Okay, now let me do one thing. Now let me go to items. Let's say items. Now here right click, technical help. You see the component configuration name is same, but current view configuration name is different. Here you see WDCC underscore F4 road item. So this particular information keep on changing based on the tab you choose. Let's say business partner. Now right click technical help. See, this is same, but this view configuration name is different. Again, very good point. Here you don't see component customizing. Why you don't see component customizing? Because for this configuration, customizing was never done. Customizing was never done. That's why you don't see component customizing here. Yeah, that's a good thing. So this is component configuration is view specific. If you choose general data, component configuration will be different. If you choose business partner, component configuration will be different. If you choose execution, component configuration will be different. You see this? So likewise, for every tab you choose, the component configuration will be different. Now I will show you another thing. You have a composite UIBB. Composite UIBB is nothing but a combination of multiple UIBBs. So this is one UIBB, and here you have three different UIBBs. Career ranking is another UIBB, continuous move documents is another UIBB, tendering overview is another UIBB. Now let me show you how the view configuration, component configuration looks different. You see, this is freight order still. Here WCC for subcon. Now if I click here, you see configuration is different, right? Because it is view specific configuration. That is how you identify the component configuration of each UIBB.